This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 6 slices of thick bread, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of milk. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Using slightly stale bread helps it soak up the custard without becoming soggy. This simple preparation ensures a delicious start to your breakfast. Now, let's create the rich custard batter. In a shallow dish, whisk together your 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of sugar until well combined. Next, stir in the 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This aromatic addition elevates the flavor profile significantly. Make sure the mixture is smooth and ready for dipping your bread slices. It's time to cook your French toast to golden perfection. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat, adding a small amount of butter if desired. Dip each slice of bread into the custard for about 10 to 15 seconds per side, ensuring it's fully coated but not oversaturated. Cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. Your delicious French toast is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately with your favorite toppings like fresh berries, warm maple syrup, or a dusting of powdered sugar. For an extra treat, consider adding a dollop of whipped cream or a sprinkle of cinnamon. And speaking of fresh, if your car could use a refresh, check out the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your perfect breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.